In this video, we will learn how to write the katakana characters sa, shi, su, se, and so. Sa is 3 strokes. On the 3rd stroke, as you come down, when you reach the bottom of the 2nd stroke, curve down into the left. Shi is 3 strokes. On these 2 points, you're not just pushing the brush down to make a dot. Start with the tip of the brush, rolling down and to the right to create a teardrop shape. Su is 2 strokes. The 2nd stroke is made about halfway down the right side of the 1st stroke. Se is 2 strokes. The end of this stroke is made by pushing the brush down into the right and then down into the left. The 2nd stroke is made in the shape of a right angle, making sure to leave space. So is 2 strokes. End the stroke about where the 1st stroke ends. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel.